Today is not my typical morning. I am actually at a local body shop right now as we speak. I did not wreck my truck. I'm bringing this GMC Terrain down here because one of our technicians actually backed into a customer's car in it. So I was bringing the vehicle down for service and it got hit. Let me show you. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see this or not, but this is like, there's a little scratch right there and then it's kind of got like a little bow to it. So we gotta get that fixed. We gotta get that fixed for him. Let me show you how awesome this body shop is. We had a brand new Cadillac XT5 have some body damage to it on the lot. Here's the before pictures. And there's the after. You can't even tell that there was work done to this thing. Dave Shockey Auto Body just got it going on for us. This is not a sponsored ad. For all of you guys that don't know me, my name's Cody Reed. I do a new video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's get it going on. That little dent in the hood cost us $250 to fix. Just that little dent. I did not anticipate this video going this way today. I anticipated something completely different, but I just traded this Terrain in that I'm in right now. I just kind of want to show you guys real quick a car that's got extensive hail damage. And the question today would be, should it be fixed? I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is actually snowing outside right now. Let's go take a look. I really just wanted to bring this thing up here on the hill so you could see it in the light, so you could see all the hail damage that this specific car has. It's a lot. I mean, this thing is wrecked. It's got so much hail damage on it that it would never ever be repaired back to factory standards. And if it was repaired, it would be a total loss. So here's the deal. This specific car, this is a 2012 model year, and if it was fixed, if there was nothing wrong with it, with 150,000 miles on it, this car would be worth somewhere around $4,000. So what I did was I took that $4,000 and I just subtracted $2,000. I don't know what the number is. I might be completely wrong on this, but I think if it goes to the auction, somebody's gonna buy it for around $2,000, just kind of as a beater, just kind of get back and forth to work. But there's no reason to fix that hail damage. The fact of the matter is, if the people would have put this on their insurance, right, they probably would have totaled it, but if they didn't total it, their insurance rates would have gone up, and they've been driving a car that's got 150,000 miles. That's why they traded it. It was a very smart thing to do. I don't know how many times these situations come up, but if they do, you gotta kind of outweigh that. Like, hey, if my insurance goes up, I got a dirty Carfax, I got a ton of miles, is it worth me really putting the money into the car to get it fixed? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna grab the keys to another scenario that's completely different than this one. Let's take a look at this case. This, just like the other one, this one's got tons of hail damage as well. It's a 2016 Buick Encore with 30,000 miles on it. I don't know how well that came out, but there is just hail damage all over this one also. It's everywhere. Yeah, the whole car, the hood, the top up there, that's got plenty of hail damage on it as well. Let's check the back out. Back here, yep, look at there. Look at there. Plenty of hail damage on this one. So as you can see, this one's pelted also. It's got almost as bad a hail damage as what that Terrain just had. So here's my question for you. This is a lot newer car. It's got a lot less mileage on it. Would you trade it the way that it is, or would you pay your insurance company to fix it? That's the question. If it were me, if I had to do it, I guess I would pay my insurance, you know? Taking a big hit on a car because of hail damage, it's just not gonna work out. Like, you're gonna get hammered. You're gonna get smoked on the trade-in value. Every situation when it comes to hail damage, or any damage at that case, is all situational. It's all about the car, the incident, the insurance, how much you're into the car that you're currently driving, all that stuff. Like, all that makes a big difference. So I guess it is kind of hard for me to say, would you consider fixing it or not? These are just some things that I see on a daily basis. I mean, this stuff happens all the time. Do me a favor, you guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Again, my name's Cody Reed. I do a new video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will see you guys next time. Tell me down in the comments below. Tell me what you think. Bye.